Battalion 304, engine 341, engine 343, engine 344, ladder 341, station 304, medic 344, engine 393, ops 301 with an operator, 12368, St. Armand Circle, residential fire. Battalion 304, engine 341, engine 343, engine 344, ladder 341, safety 304, medic 344, engine 393, ops 301 with an operator, 12368, St. Armand Circle, residential fire, District 44E, count 1141.
Command information. If this looks like it's just this single residence, it didn't jump to any others.
Okay, so we don't have an exposure. It doesn't appear to be.
No.
Okay. Command all incoming units. We just have one structure involved. We do not have an exposure.
Command engine 341 is going to be laying out from Medalist and St. Armand Circle.
Okay. Is that you, 41s right there just pulled up?
Yeah, we'll keep the hose out of ladders away.
Okay. Ladder, front of the residence wide open for you. Get that stick up when you get here.
Ladder's on scene, first truck. Command from 342.
Go ahead, 3.
We're coming in from the south. We're grabbing additional water supply.
Okay, then I'm going to need you as writ. Control, go ahead, benchmark water on fire.
Water on fire, 150.
44 is you cleared, she's already vented.
Engine 393 is on the scene, fourth engine. We have a hydrant to the south.
Just bring your manpower 93s. When you've completed that lay of the ladder, give me a second line. Back up 44s.
Command ladder 341 going in with 3 for search. Command from ladder 341.
Go ahead, 341s.
We had a hand line of the second floor. We got heavy fire.
Copy, hand line to the second floor, heavy fire. I need it to the second floor. Ladder 341 is reporting heavy fire on the second floor. Take that line to the second floor.